Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. 1 hour per day of study in your chosen field is all it takes. 1 hour per day of study will put you at the top of your field within 3 years. Within 5 years you'll be a national authority. In 7 years, you can be one of the best people in the world at what you do. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Now, success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Most people have this law backwards. They believe that you're successful if you earn a lot of money. The truth is that you can only earn money after you're successful. Open your ears before you open your mouth, it may surprise your eyes. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Watch what everyone else does, do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. Don't take the attitude of waiting for people to be nice to you, be nice to them. Don't sit in front of a cold stove waiting for the heat. Put in the fuel. Act first. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Security isn't what the wise person looks for, it's opportunity. The paradox is that exactly the reverse is true. Everything that's really worthwhile in life came to us free: our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our ambitions, our intelligence, our love of family and children and friends and country. All these priceless possessions are free. But the things that cost us money are actually very cheap and can be replaced at any time. A good man can be completely wiped out and make another fortune. He can do that several times. Even if our home burns down, we can rebuild it. But the things we got for nothing, we can never replace. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. That's the secret: be interesting. If you can't be interesting, shut up. There's nothing wrong with silence. Successful people are dreamers who have found a dream too exciting, too important, to remain in the realm of fantasy. Day by day, hour by hour, they toil in the service of their dream until they can see it with their eyes and touch it with their hands. We become what we think about. Don't concern yourself too much with how you are going to achieve your goal, leave that completely to a power greater than yourself. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord, and at the right time. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. We must radiate success before it will come to us. We must first become mentally, from an attitude standpoint, the people we wish to become. Achievement requires more than a vision, it takes courage, resolve and tenacity. All you have got to do is plant that seed in your mind, care for it, work steadily toward your goal, and it will become a reality. People don't have great attitudes because of great success, they have great success largely because of great attitudes.